Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to unmute new events on your notification server settings on your account on Discord, easy and quick. First, uh, first click here. Now click notifications, and here as you see you will find mute new events. And just click like this, and it will be turned off. And that's it. That's how to unmute new events on your account on Discord on your notification service settings, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. For you. And thanks for watching. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.